Remove the fork protector rod. First, loosen the nut on the left side. Loosen the nut on the right. Remove the front fork protective rod. Remove the nut, washer, and anti-rotation washer from the left side of the front wheel. Remove the nut, washer, and anti-rotation washer from the right side of the front wheel. Align the fork groove with the front wheel axle and position the disc brake roto between the brake calipers. First, place the left anti-rotation washer and secure it, then add the spacer and finally tighten the nut. Place the right anti-rotation shim and secure it, then add the washer and finally tighten the nut. Tighten the nuts on both sides.